Hello, I'm Fiona from the MacArthur Centre for Sustainable Living. I'm sure you've all heard of bee or insect hotels, but have you heard of an insect city? Here's an insect city. What? No, that's a compost bin. Well, if you thought that, you are right. Inside the compost, there is many critters that go to work breaking down our waste. The critters that do the most work are the ones that we can't even see. Bacteria is the hardest worker of them all. It is their job to break down the organic matter. As they work, they make the compost hot. Fungi help out the bacteria by breaking down tough debris that is difficult for the bacteria to eat. Actinomycetes break down bark, woody stems and newspapers. This also helps the bacteria do their job. Other critters you can see like slater bugs who eat dead plant material. Some critters eat other critters in the compost. This helps by making sure there isn't too many of one critter. Springtails love to eat up the fungi in your compost. Some mites love to eat the fungi, or they even eat other mites. Rotifer live in the water droplets inside your compost and love to eat bacteria and organic material. There are many critters that live inside your compost bin, but did you know that critters have been composting long before we built the cities? Over 66 million years ago, termites were composting by eating decaying plant matter. 4,500 years ago, scarab beetles saw the pyramids of Egypt being built while breaking down animal manure. Even today, critters like the giant burrowing cockroach break down the leaf litter in the forest. Bye for now, but if you're interested in learning more about composting, check out our website, our Facebook page, or our YouTube channel.